Alright, first start. New battery. Yeah, go. Oh, cranks over. Hang on, let me remove this. Uh-oh, died. Jinxed it. Probably no fuel. He's running. Drive it out. Barnfind Hilux. There's a windscreen, some new seats, play around with the gearbox. There's a few bits of rust that need to be just patched up, just a cheap fix, doesn't need to be a full resto. Runs good. Clean the wiring up. The what?
The bar end.
Ah. Bit of rubber. A few bits. New tail light. A little bit of rust. Not too bad. This tail light looks good. She's driving. That's Toyota reliability for you. Now we'll go over to the spare cars and have a look if there's any bar ends of some chrome bumpers over at the spare cars that we can chuck on, match them up. Because we're going to try and get this thing back on the road. It's going to need a bit of work, a few bits of rust to patch, tidy up the engine. Suspension and stuff, where looking, it looks all pretty good. Like, it's only done 220,000 kilometers. It's been up here for probably 14 years, I think. 14 years maybe. But she's still going. Some fresh fuel. Started up first crank pretty much, a bit to get the carb going, but she drives. I've lost clutch. I've got no clutch. Oh no. So I'll do a video. We'll clean it up, wash it as best as possible. We'll make a big list on what actually needs to be done to it. Obviously, like I've pointed out a few bits and stuff. It's not going to be a full resto. It's just going to be enough to get it registered and on the road on club permit. Other than that, it's pretty solid base. Like some indicators, just basic stuff. New globes, this, that. New windscreen because this one's cracked. I want to replicate that sticker because that is sick. Tonka tough, Tonka truck. I don't know. What do you guys reckon? Keep the patina paint job that we can see here, or should we redo it? Like redo the bar and like wrap the coat, paint the car. Put your thoughts down below and see what you reckon. Like you can see in the back, we should ride around, sit up on these wooden boxes. I cleaned this out earlier. It's pretty good. These CVs are clicking big time. Alright, the clutch fixed. We got a master cylinder off a 84 Corona, so they're identical, like exactly the same. So now the clutch is working. We bled it. Third gear, woo! Alright, so we've got the Hilux back at the warehouse now. See it out in the light. So I'm gonna fully wash it now, get all the mud off as best as I can, and we'll see what it comes up like. So I'll do some time lapses, and we'll go through a list of what actually needs to be done, because the more we look into it, the more stuff that needs to be done. So here we go. So I've just taken the seat out and have a look at this. It is filthy under there. I'm like looking around. Old extra chewy. Have a look at this. Boat ramp ticket, $5.50 a day from 2001. Pretty cool, hidden under the seat. It's not too rusty. Bit of surface rust, nothing that won't clean up. Old pen lights are just shit from the farm. But I'll take this out and we'll see what we find. So I've taken the seat, the carpet out. I've scrubbed the back. It actually come out really clean, but because of the brake fluid leak, it's leaked down into the cab, and it's like started to rust the floor. There's a few holes that go through, but it's nothing serious. Easy purge to cover it up. But all this surface rust here, I'll wire brush. So I've started to do it over there. Wire brush all that, then I'll give it a coat of paint just to stop the rust coming back for a while now. Give it another wash. Thinking about I'll do the jams black like the car, because the car's just rattle can, so it's not going to really matter. But maybe do the doors brown. I've got some brown paint. Clean all this up, and I've got a wood grain steering wheel which I was thinking about using, but we'll see because it's still dusty up here. But sun's out again. Let's get going. Found this under the carpet. It's a 2-cent piece. Like, that is older than me by a long time. So I thought that was pretty cool. But start to clean up a bit. Years and years of dust. So I've done the door. I had some of this like mocha paint, which kind of goes with it. So I thought I'd paint the white that color. I've done all this like rust protected paint after I wire wheeled it, so it's better than nothing. Did all that black again, just rattle can. It's not a full resto. Just rattle canned up the bits that are still white, but still need to do that door. I haven't touched this. I want to do something else with that because that's a bit more than surface rust, so I'll play around with that. So I haven't painted that yet. What do you reckon? Should I paint this brown? I'm thinking about it. Headliner, filthy. I might just leave it. So still need a new windscreen. So I finished, I'll fully wire wheeled that, put the rust paint on it. I just taped up the slight holes for now. I'll come back and a bit later, I just don't want water to get in. Taped up all the holes, original ones that had the factory Toyota sticker on it. I took them off, put a bit of tape on it, to make sure no dust gets in. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'll leave this for now. Play around the seat. Doors are all done. I don't mind the mocha color on the bottom half. Looks heaps cleaner. Figure out the steering wheel situation. But if anyone knows where to get a good dash mat from, let me know. That'd be good to get. But yeah, it's coming together. It's looking good. Alright, so you can see a big pile of dirt come off it. So today I mainly just gave it a big hose over, get as much dirt off as I can. Did the interior, so fully took the seats out, did the doors. The seats that are ripped, I've got this foil tape which I've put over, and I'll probably get like some brown towels or something and clip it around so it's like new material. Got to fix the linkages, so left that off. Find a dash mat, got some floor mats out of the crash Corolla down there. Took the carpet out, cleaned it, come up pretty good. Come up not too bad for a ute that's been sitting for a long time. Good hose over. Bay come out pretty nice compared to what it was. Obviously still dirty. I wouldn't mind painting all this up, making it look nice, but it's not too bad. Scrubbed up.